Download and install Oracle VirtualBox on Windows 11. In this video tutorial, I am going to tell you how you can download the Oracle VirtualBox and then install on Windows 11. So search for download Oracle VirtualBox and you will reach the correct website. On the website virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads, you will find the link to download the latest version of Oracle VirtualBox. So I will download it for Windows host. It is downloading, and you also download the VirtualBox extension pack. Now both the files are downloaded and we can start the installation. So click on the exe file VirtualBox 6.1.34.exe, and after clicking the yes, installer will start the installation. Click next, next, again next, and then yes, and finally install. So installation is completed and click on finish. Now you can click on the Oracle VirtualBox extension pack 6.1.34 and it will automatically ask for installation. Then click on install. I agree. And now the VirtualBox extension pack is installed. So this way you can install the Oracle VirtualBox on Windows 11 and also install the extension pack into the Oracle VirtualBox. Now we can go to the search and, search for the Oracle VirtualBox. So Oracle VM VirtualBox is here and we can create the new image. Click new. Click next. Click next. Create. Then I can go to the settings, system, processor. I will assign it to let's say for processor. Then I'll go to the storage and here I will select the image. So this is Ubuntu 20.04.3 desktop AMD image. Then click OK. Then start. Now the Ubuntu installation is started. We have option to try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. We'll go for install Ubuntu and click on install Ubuntu icon. Then click on continue. Again continue. Then we will click on the install now and continue. Continue. I will write the user name and then the password. Now the installation is in progress and it is copying the files. Now the installation is about to complete. Now the installation is successfully completed. We can click on restart now. Enter the password. The next thing is to install the guest edition image. Then click on run. Enter the password. Now I should be able to change the resolution. Resolution I can increase to, let's say, this one, 1280 by 960. So this way you can use the Oracle VirtualBox on your Windows 11 and install the Ubuntu 20.04. You can also install other operating systems. You can visit our website roseindia.net and learn from many tutorials here. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.